Just a couple of weeks ago, I had the opportunity to join the Natural Resources Manager here at the Metroparks on a little walkthrough of some of the areas where they are working on pine management in oak openings. We started in an area near Wilkins Road where the trees are completely gone and all that's left are a few stumps and branches. The next part of the project is to remove those stumps and branches.
Of the 100 acres, we got about 50 acres completed this winter as far as the harvesting operation. It's hard to say what will come up in here. We've had numerous occasions of rare plants popping up in areas that we would have never anticipated. So
we then visited an area just down the road where they did the same work but years ago. So it looks entirely different now. It's called an oak savanna.
In 2002, we began to thin it because it was starting to experience pocket mortality. It was starting to collapse. This is what we envision oak openings to look like.
Next, we looked at an area that was left completely unmanaged, and all of the pine trees were either dead or dying. And you could physically see where it started and how it was spreading to the rest of the stand.
You can always get a visual. You can tell that this is where it started, and it's radiated that way. See a clump of live trees over here is just kind of pushing its way through. What we call is a sanitation cut. We actually remove the infected pine trees, and that'll prolong the life of the other existing trees.
Our final destination on this walkthrough of the pine management efforts in oak openings was where I am right now. The area lovingly referred to as the spot.
So, these trees require a live crown ratio of at least no more than 20%. So you take the total height of this tree, and 20% of it should have live branches at the top. So you can see this one has like 5%, And then the other thing, it doesn't have any ability to defend itself from beetle attacks.
Now, I am an avid Metroparks user. Not only do I get my nature fix here, but I bring my clients here for portrait photography. So my heart sank when I started to notice the signs that were posted on the trails about pine management.
It is in rapid decline to some degree. We're going to continue to do sanitation cuts and remove the infestations as they occur. We know it's a popular destination for our park users.
We don't often realize what's going on behind the scenes, so we're lucky that we have these experts. If these trees were left unchecked and unmanaged, they would just die, fall.
So you really have to be sometimes thankful for what you actually have. This is the most ecologically rich area in the state.
Sometimes you need to get your head from out of the clouds, look down, dig a little deeper.
You got to get on your hands and knees and kind of look and see what's really going on.
So I will continue to use and love and appreciate these beautiful pine trees in the spot for as long as they last. But I do recognize that they won't last forever, and that's the way that it's meant to be.